Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Thanks for watching my video and checking me out. I am back with another dumpster dive haul. This is a fun one, as you guys can see right off the bat here. I am excited about quite a few of these things, and there's some things that you can't see just yet. So let's get right into it, starting over here. This came from the dollar store. It's just a little glittery thing that says USA with a little Uncle Sam hat at the top. The only thing, aside from some, marks, is that it doesn't have the little string that goes through those two holes up there to hang it on a door. But that's a super easy fix. That's obviously for the 4th of July. Yeah, so there's that. And then this stuff, so fun, is Easter stuff, obviously. This came from a craft and fabric store. It is currently not open. I'm fairly positive it was open at one point, but it is not. It's just open for online. Like, you can buy online and then pick it up in the parking lot. So obviously there are still workers in the store, and that is why they have been throwing inventory out. Stores that I do love to dumpster dive at, such as TJ Maxx and Home Goods and stuff like that, they are not throwing anything out because they are not offering buy online and pick up in the parking lot. And their dumpsters are just full of residential, like people dumping their own trash, which do not do, please. But I keep checking. We'll get back there eventually. Anyways, from the craft store, these are hand soaps. How adorable. They were originally $6 each. Citrus sugar, that actually sounds pretty good. And this one is vanilla frosting. So these ones are shaped like little rabbits, Easter bunnies, and these ones are shaped like chicks. And yeah, they're just filled with hand soap. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those rabbits, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the chicks. I did have to leave a few behind because this dumpster was packed with metal racks. It was so hard to get all this, but I didn't leave much behind. Moving right here, these are adorable as well. These are little felt and foam stickers. I have some little chicks and rabbits that are fuzzy. I have a whole bunch of these kinds that have the little rabbits with the eggs and the carrots and the bows and super cute. And then I have this one as well, which is dinosaurs dressed as Easter bunnies, which is adorable. There's that. And then right here I have a whole mountain of paddle balls that come with markers that you can color. They have different designs. This one has a unicorn on it. This one has a sloth with some rabbit ears. There's a bunny underneath there. Just a whole bunch of those, which is what I mainly wanted to grab. And again, these were buried. Hard to grab. But I got most of them. And then I have 5 of these little maker's egg garland kit, I suppose. It comes with 519 pieces. It has all the eggs and the little decorations in the middle. Super cute. I have 5 packs of those. So all of this I will be keeping and storing away until next year when I put it in the Easter baskets that I donate. This right here, same thing. Our thrift stores are not open, but I'm waiting for the day that they are. However, they are open for donations. People can drop them off at the door. And because of that, they are still throwing things out. I just started checking there recently, and this is the only thing I grabbed. It was very full. I mean, it's some sort of picture frame. I don't know. It's like matted. It has matting with this foam ring in here, but it's an, how many? I'm going to say octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's an octagon. It's gold with black matting. I don't know what it originally was or if it's missing something, but I'm going to find something to do with that. I think that's pretty cool. Right there. Hold on just a second. I'm going to get the rest of the stuff ready, which is very exciting. Really quick, I forgot to show you these 2 coconut milks that I have. The cans are dented right here at the top, both of them, but they're not pierced, and those should be good to go. Their expiration date is 12/25/2021. Okay, here it is, guys. Look at this. This is so exciting. It kind of like rejuvenated the adrenaline and the fun I feel while dumpster diving. I have not gone to this store. This is where I found them, right there. I have not gone here in over 2 months because it is closed and it is not close to my house. It is about 45 minutes away from my house. But I was out for work and I had to go to a city nearby this one. So I figured I would check. And they are now open for the same thing, order online, pick up in the parking lot. And obviously they are throwing things away. Now, I do have a picture that I will insert right here. That is what the dumpster looked like when I pulled up. There's that sign on top that says "This is us," that they had punched a hole through. Looking back, I probably could have fixed it and done something with it, but I didn't end up grabbing that. And there were 3 like oblong vertical canvases that they had very aggressively slashed that were like a sea foamy blue, and they had jewels and glitter and stuff on them, but I couldn't save those. Those were beyond repair. These 4 were also damaged on purpose. They were not damaged. I can't guarantee that. But based on what I know of dumpster diving and of that personal store, they damaged them on purpose and then threw them away so nobody would take them. But these ones I could fix, and honestly from this camera angle you can't really even tell that anything was ever wrong with them because I did manage to fix them up, not too shabbily. Starting with this one, it is retail $50. It says home in like 3D wood letters. Let me put a picture of this as what it looked like originally. So some of the wood had ripped or been had fallen off. It was all in the dumpster though, so I grabbed it and glued it back on. I'm thinking this one was thrown out because it is not so nice quality. Like this glue, and it's coming up a little bit. That was not me. That's how it came. I glued, as you can see, I glued this one. I glued right here. I glued right here, and I glued right here with the E. That doesn't really fit together, but doesn't really bother me. And now, backing up, it just says home, and it's fabulous. So that was a fun find. Next to that, I have this horse picture retailed for $20, on sale for $11. He's super cool. I'm going to see if my mom wants him. He did get a finger poke right there. Some of his painting or his canvas was popped back. However, I just pushed it forward and glued it. I couldn't get it quite flush with the rest of it, but I mean, it doesn't really bother me at all. I'm glad that I was able to find that little piece at the bottom of the dumpster. So I grabbed that. And then these 2 I think are absolutely gorgeous. They're like a deep sage teal color on the back with gold and off-white flowers. And it is meant to look like ripped paper. And it kind of feels like it is too. So that's why when they popped out the canvases, it doesn't look that horrible. This one's not as good because there's a piece missing. This one isn't too bad. I just popped it in and glued it, and I'm going to try some more and even put some glue on the front. You can't even see that. Because these right here, these little 3D glue-ish looking things, that's how it came. Those were originally $25, on sale for $13. And when you back up, can't even really tell. And I have 2 of them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love those. So these are definitely some exciting finds. I'm glad I got those. And this Easter stuff, guys. I've been looking for stuff like this. I'm still on the hunt for Easter baskets for next year, but I'm so glad that I found and saved this stuff from the dumpster. I do have a few more things that I don't have with me at the moment, so I will go ahead and put pictures of those at the end. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos, I'm sure, as you guys know, and I can't wait to keep finding. So thank you guys. I'll see you soon.